you're new here, hi, my name is Mel. If you are not new here, welcome back. As I said, if you are new here, hi guys, my name is Mel and welcome to my little YouTube channel. This is going to be our last Mickey ear look. Oh, so sad. I actually am really sad that the series is over because we are moving on to March, which I have video ideas planned for March. Now, if you have any video suggestions that you want me to do, definitely go ahead and comment down below with some ideas. I really do want to hear from you guys. If you guys suggest a video, I might feature it in one of my upcoming months that I do, so definitely stay tuned for that. I think I want to do like a subscriber month of like all subscriber ideas, but I need ideas in order to do that, so yeah. Really do want to thank you guys for watching because it really does mean a lot. We have finally reached 200 subscribers, so yay! I was so excited to see that we had finally reached that goal. Just still, it may seem like not much, but it's a lot to me. So I really do want to thank you for watching and for the support. You can also follow me on some of my other social media. I will go ahead and link everything down below. And yeah, so if you also are wondering what my next theme for March is gonna be, make sure that you stay tuned until the end of the video because I will be going ahead and announcing that. I really do want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this look, please continue watching. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So today I already started off with my Thayers Witch Hazel, so I'm going to go straight in with my eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to be taking my little pot that I made of my Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and I'm going to be dabbing this on my eyelids. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Carli Bybel palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm going to go in with this like light matte brown color. I'm going to be using this to start in my crease, to start that transition. Then I'm going to be going in with the shade next to it, it's a little bit darker. Now, the good question is that I'm not sure what the name of any of these colors are. I don't even know if they have names or if they have numbers. But once I put those two colors in my crease, I'm going to be going back in with the eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to be using this to start making that cut crease and then really shaping that. Then I'm going to be going into the same palette. I'm going to be getting this shimmery color. This is going to be in the center of my lids. It's kind of like a shimmery pink. And then I'm going to be going in with the highlight color that is in the bottom left. And I'm going to be using this in the inner corner. I'm going to be using this really kind of to shape the eye look to make sure that it stays very defined. And then I'm going to just going to go ahead and take a fluffy blending brush and then just kind of blend the rest of it. Because I do want like the drastic gradient, but I did want it to be kind of soft. It felt like it was a little too harsh. Now I'm going to be taking my Physicians Formula eyeliner and I'm going to be lining my eyes. Now once I get the shape that I want, I'm going to be taking my Loreal Stiletto Pink highlighter and eyeliner, and I'm going to be using this to line my waterline so it's not as harsh as if it was white. I thought the pink would be a good color choice. And then I'm going to be taking my Lancome Hypnose Drama and I'm going to be combing this through my lashes and making sure that it gets very coated so they look nice and voluminous and pretty. It's going to do top and bottom with the mascara. Then for concealer, I'm going to be using something a little different. I'm going to be using my Born This Way concealer instead of my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. I'm just going to be dabbing this on my face in different areas because I'm going to spot conceal. And then once I spot conceal, I am going to be taking my Drunk Elephant hydrating serum or hydrating gel, And I'm going to be spotting that on my face to blend in with the concealer to kind of give it a, it's at the same time to kind of hydrate my face and to use it as primer. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to be taking my kabuki brush, Eco Tools, dense foundation kabuki brush, and I'm going to be blending this into my face. Then to set my face, I'm going to be using my MAC Skin Finish Natural in medium. I'm going to be just using a fluffy brush to set the foundation and concealer and to give me a good matte look. Now for contour, I'm going to be using my Clinique chubby stick. And I'm going to be using this to contour my cheeks and the side of my face. And then I'm going to be using a combination of a very dense brush to pat that in, as well as my fingers to make sure I get a nice and smooth coverage, as well as a nice finish. Now for blush, I'm going to be using my Too Faced blush, this little one right here. It's like a pink color, and I'm going to be using this on the high points of my cheeks to give myself a little bit of color back to the face. Then for highlight, I'm going to be using the pink again like we used on the inner corner, and I'm going to be doing this, putting this on the high points of my face, so my cheekbones, and right above my eyebrows. And I'm just going to be blending that out to give myself some highlight. I'm also going to be putting it on the tip of my nose and on my upper lip, as well as taking it with my finger, and I'm going to be putting it right on my brow bone with my finger, and then I'm going to be blending it out with my fingers as well to give more dimension. To hydrate my lips to get ready for lipstick, I'm going to be using my Khiels Mint Lip Balm, and I'm going to be using this to hydrate my lips before we put on the lipstick. And for the lipstick, I'm using my Ofra lipstick, long-lasting liquid lipstick, and I got this in my first Ipsy bag. So I'm going to be using this for the lip color today. It actually is really, really pretty. I was kind of hesitant on the color, but it really came together well with this look, so I really like it. And it does have like a matte finish, but with my lip gloss, my lip balm, it kind of made a glossy finish. Now this is what I'm using, the Too Faced Peaches and Cream setting spray. And so I didn't shake the bottle, and so I don't know if you notice as it dries, I'm going to be getting little spots on my face. Make sure you shake it and make sure that you apply it really quickly, because or else you're going to get those spots you kind of are going to see start appearing on my face, like on my forehead and stuff. So yeah, just be careful of that, because yeah, you can definitely see it on my forehead now. It isn't a great look. Yeah, I can see it right here, and you can blend it out, but for the most part, just be sure that you blend it out really quickly. And that's the completed look. And this is what the completed look looks like. I'm so excited that you stayed till the end, because that means you get to hear what my next theme is going to be. So for the entire month of March, I'm going to be doing makeup looks based off of all of the color kids from Rainbow Brite, starting with good old Red Butler. Really looking forward to this, just because a while back, if you remember on my Instagram, I did post a inspired look for Red Butler. If you can find it, definitely leave a comment down below. It's still up. I might have deleted that picture because I didn't really like how it turned out. But if it's still there, It will be like from like 2 years ago on my Instagram. Really am looking forward to this. So I am going to be doing the looks inspired from the 1980s version of Rainbow Bright. I know that there were some remakes that came out later. However, I remember the one from 1980s. I know it sounds kind of weird because I am in my 20s, so how in the world would I have been able to watch it? My dad used to get up and tape the show for me and my sister because my sister was born in that time frame when it was still playing. That's how I knew what it was and I was able to watch it. Now I just watch it like on YouTube or like Daily Motion or like some of those other video websites or apps. I go through like these phases of things that I want to watch. Anyway guys, I really do want to thank you, and I am very excited for March, for Rainbow Bright month, and I hope I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all real soon. Thanks guys. Bye!